Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing great. My name is Firdaus Sahil. In this video with Affinity, we are going to learn how to zoom in into the pages. Now currently one page is available or one artboard. Now if I want to zoom in, I can use the shortcut Control plus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom out. Or yeah, I can use the tool from this toolbar, which is called the zoom tool. Click here, you can zoom in, and from here you can zoom out. Or you can select a percentage of zoom in or zoom out from here. So this is how we can zoom in and zoom out with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.